what is 3x plus 5 square? Okay, so then what do? Is they write this as 3 square is 9, x square is x square, 5 square is 25. That's it. Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to use the formula a plus b whole square. This is a very short video, okay? We are going to see just 2 questions of this type. But I am sure, 100% sure you will be able to use this formula after that, okay? So please pay attention. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. If you want to know how did we get this formula, you just multiply a plus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square is a plus b into a plus b. Just multiply the 2 brackets and check whether do you get this answer a square plus 2ab plus b square or not. Okay, so first I am going to tell you how to use this formula for 3x plus 5y whole square. Now what you have to do, first you have to understand that why we are using this formula, when to apply it. Okay, if there are 2 terms in a bracket with a positive sign between them and there is a square, then we use this formula, right? A plus b, 2 terms with positive sign and there is a square. So how to use it? How to write the answer? Just put the values here, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Put 3x in place of a, that is first term, and put 5y, that is second term, in place of b. That's it. Put the values here, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and that will be your answer. Only 2 steps. So now I am going to solve it. Okay, a square will be 3x square plus 2 into a is first term, 3x, into b it's 5y, plus b square is 5y square. Now we just have to make the square of 3x. You have to give this bracket here. This bracket is very important. Many students, what they do, they write the first term as 3x square like this. And this is the first mistake we have made, because we have not given the square of 3 here. There is no bracket, that means the square is of x only. So this is where we are going to cut, this is where our bars will be cut, okay? So you have to keep this in mind. You have to give the bracket. Now the next step is give the square of both the terms, 3 square and x square also. So 3 square is 9, x square will be x square. 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, xy as it is. 5 square is 25, y square is y square. See, that's it. Final answer. We cannot solve this further. They are all the 3 are unlike terms. I am going to tell you one last question. This is the last question. Very short video. Okay. Last question. One of fraction. Okay. X plus 1 by 2x whole square. Let's see how to solve it. Again, just replace this a by the first term x and b by the second term 1 by 2x. Okay, put the values here, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square will be x square plus 2 into a is x into b is 1 by 2x plus b square is 1 by 2x square. Now x square will be x square only. These 2 we can cancel with each other. One is in the numerator and one denominator. X is also similarly getting cancelled. Then what remains here is only 1. Plus, now we have to square all the terms here. Okay, there is a bracket and we have square of the bracket. So 1 square becomes 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 square is 2. 2s are 4. And x square is x into x is x square. So this is the final answer, friends. I hope you have understood how to use the formula a plus b whole square. This is very simple to use, but what many students do, I am going to just take 1 more minute. If they get a question like this, what is 3x plus 5 square? Okay, so then what do? Is they write this as 3 square is 9, x square is x square, 5 square is 25. That's it. Even in grade 9, grade 10 also I have seen students doing like this. So always remember, whenever you have bracket and there is square of the bracket, there are 2 signs or 2 terms in the bracket with positive or negative. In this video I am telling you only about a plus b whole square. Okay. In the next video I will also tell you how to use the formula a minus b whole square. Okay. It is used when there is negative sign in between the 2 terms and there is a square. Okay, so but always remember, whenever there is a square of a bracket, you have to use the formula, just don't make the squares. Okay, I hope you have understood the question. If you have any confusion, please go to the comment box and tell me. I will definitely answer all your comments, friends. And if you have really liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, because you will then come to know that when I have published my new video, and I regularly publish the videos. So please subscribe to the channel, and you can also share the channel with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.